Have you ever heard someone say a task was a cakewalk? As an English learner, you may have wondered, what does that even mean? Let me tell you a funny story about a student who misunderstood this idiom. Jane was assigned to bake a cake for the school bake sale. She thought, great, this will be a cakewalk, and showed up with just a plain, store-bought cake. But a cakewalk doesn't mean the task is as easy as baking a cake. It actually means a task is extremely easy or simple to accomplish. Let's see how the idiom is used correctly. Mark had to give a presentation at work, but he had been preparing for weeks. This presentation is going to be a cakewalk, he told his colleagues confidently. He delivered the presentation flawlessly, impressing everyone in the room. Here are some examples of how to use a cakewalk in different contexts. Passing that exam was a cakewalk for the straight-A student. Casual conversation. The CEO handled the media interview like a cakewalk. Formal setting. I thought planning the party would be a cakewalk, but it turned out to be a nightmare. Negative context. To remember the meaning of a cakewalk. Think of an actual cakewalk, a leisurely, effortless stroll to claim a delicious prize. This visual image can help you associate the idiom with something easy and straightforward. Did you know the term cakewalk reflects a painful history? It originated from dance competitions among enslaved African Americans in the 19th century. These competitions, often with a cake as a prize, were frequently observed and mocked by white audiences who misunderstood the intricate and often satirical nature of the dances. Winning couples would often receive a cake, but the competition itself was anything but easy. It required skill, grace, and a subtle understanding of social commentary often woven into the dances. Ironically, over time, the term, appropriated by white society, evolved to mean any task that is simple and effortless, losing its original context and the complexities of its origins. Some similar idioms to a cakewalk include a piece of cake and a walk in the park. Opposite idioms would be an uphill battle or a tough nut to crack. Related idioms like child's play or no sweat also convey the idea of something being easy. Here's an example using a cakewalk. Organizing the office party was a cakewalk for the experienced event planner. Without the idiom, it would be, organizing the office party was an easy task for the experienced event planner. I once had a student who said, my math test was a cakewalk, when he actually struggled with the subject. He mistakenly thought cakewalk meant the test was difficult, when it actually means the opposite. To avoid this, remember that a cakewalk refers to something being extremely easy, not challenging. Let's test your understanding of a cakewalk. 1. What does a cakewalk mean? A. An easy task. B. A difficult challenge. C. A dance competition. Answer A. 2. Which of these is a synonym for a cakewalk? A. An uphill battle. B. A piece of cake. C. A tough nut to crack. Answer B. 3. Which of these is an antonym for a cakewalk? A. Child's play. B. No sweat. C. An arduous task. Answer C. In summary, a cakewalk is a common English idiom that describes a task or situation that is extremely easy to accomplish. Understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in English. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom a cakewalk in a sentence and share it with the class. I'd love to hear how you're applying what you've learned today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.